You alright guys, this is You Vote It, I'll Eat It, and today we're doing the Ghost Chili Challenge. So we've got 3 chilies, 1 each. They were sent in from a friend of the page. So we're just basically gonna take a bite of each one. Now we've never done anything as hot as this before, so we're just gonna bite it up to the stem, chew it, see what happens. Oh god. It tastes kind of tomatoey.
Right, it's gone.
Yeah. Oh. Already, that is hotter than the sauce. Oh god! It's just getting hotter and hotter. Fucking hell!
Oh god, man! That was a bad idea!
Like this.
Fuck that, our game was ordered!
Oh no!
Oh, that really hurts.
It's just still going.
Oh, it's just getting worse. Oh, why do we do this stuff?
It's just burning. It just won't go. He's crying.
They're running out of milk.
Oh fuck!
Oh, fuck. Give me.
Fuck!
No.
I need something else.
You got any ice?
No.
You should have made some fucking ice, you twat. That hurts so much. Why you fucking hit me with that?
That's a never again.
Good effort.
Fuck! Oh Jesus Christ! That hurts so bad! I need to get some water. I need water.
Oh, get me some water, please. Oh. It hurts to breathe. Gimme.
It just doesn't go. It just doesn't go.
Oh, the dogs are laughing at us.
No amount of water and oh god no.
At least it's not as bad as it started off to be. Oh no.
It's like eating fire.
Oh.
It just doesn't go.
Fucking Rob ate the whole bloody thing.
I say he's an idiot, but
that's what we got left. Rob's the one with the stalk. Can't even bloody talk, it hurts too much. Give me.
My ears are burning from this.
I can't wait to watch this back. It's gonna be so funny. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Need more. Oh.
Where the fuck is Rob gone?
It's too hot! It's too hot!
I've never been in a worse state before in my life.
Why would anyone grow those things? What the fuck? Oh god.
He just doesn't go.
It just...
Do you think if we got another chili and just ate that, would it make it better?
You can go and do what you like.
Oh, it hurts the butt.
I'm okay.
I'm not.
How did you get rid of it?
No, I just think I'm dying. I think the water will help. I'm too bloated to drink anymore.
Right, if you don't mind then, I'm going to set this in my mouth and just tip it upside down.
Put it on the sofa.
Let it rest in my mouth.
I can see why people would throw up eating one.
Are we still filming? Are we still filming?
Yeah. We are still filming.
The weird thing is, it may be really hot, but I feel really cold now.
You can eat cheese.
You in a block? Fucking hell. What cheese is this? That was an amazing idea. Chili and cheese.
I feel sick.
Oh, I feel really cold. Where's my hoodie?
I didn't feel good.
I've got such a bad headache.
It's not so bad anymore, but definitely.
Oh god.
Oh,
There you go, guys. That was the ghost chili. It's never happening again. Oh, too bad.
no fucking way.
But
That's the end of the hot stuff.
No, that's not the end of the
No,
hot
it's
stuff.
not the end.
We're gonna do more hot stuff, of course we are.
I hope you enjoyed it. It's all good. Oh.
Yeah, thanks for that.